1921 dagina 1925 fogi manungda Germany da Adolf Hitler na German singi oiba living space Germany da haiga Lebensraum haiba space amakak pamakpadagi thangnariba mi mayam ama hatpa phajinba deport tawba amasung ultimately Second World War gi maru hunkhiba haiba wahai Lebensraum haiba wahai si living space ama talakba kanglup amana maduna maram oiraga thangnaba kanglup singa conflict lakpa sigi wahai singasi Manipur gi haukiba chahi 23 dagi 2023 dagi May 3rd dagi hoba conflict sida Kuki gi oiba Lebensraum amagi agenda yaurabra amasung yawi haidana national amasung international forum kayada phongdokliba Athouba khuraijamni ngasi khoi on record ta unarisi welcome to on record impact news gi Athouba khuraijam ipsa gi working president ni loinana social activist amani Manipur gi conflict asida tongan ba national amasung international level da chattuna Manipur gi point of view thamduna lakwa adugumba activist amani welcome to the show Athouba
Thank you.
Lebensraum anh sa hai Hitler na 1921 to 25 sida masigi ideology si Nazi samga punjal laga akhoi Germany sing makhoi gi wakhalon da di pure race amakhaki space amakhak darkar ta dana madure ni second world war lakrise mi karor si gi bane sigi terminology si Manipuri conflict ta pusal lai bese karai degi no kamain torino
Mamang da koina Hitler gi wari taba ma tawbudadi ai sagi oinadi koi tasengna Lebensraum ha wahi ji koi yam kanna khallude another German word or MBI mo kanom da zum sin abo MBI na dum khallaga kesu khallude ado tasengna koina Lebensraum ha word si thengna rei si di Kuki national organization one of the key signatory group who are signing suspension of operation with the government of India और हारी बसीगी group सिगी मागी founding president मियाम ना PS हाउकिप हायर खंगनरीबा मिसक सिन माना इबा लारिक याम ना मियाम ना याम ना हुजी कन्न ngangnariba जालिंगम हाइबा अदुंगुलबा लारिक से जालिंगम इसे कुकी नेशन हाइबनी और हाइबा लारिक सिगी portion सिंगदा माना मागी वारी सी introduce तौरक मतमदा कुकी की सिगी जालिंगम की idea से कैदोबदगी थोलकपनो मसी कमदोंना realize तौगनी हाइक मतमदा माना Lebensraum for the cookies हाइदना माना terms सिन लेरंबा
okay cookie community masabang
मसामना सिन ने
okay
चुमनगी community नतना हुजिकी कुकी की जालिंगम की aspiration नमा political objective अमा set तौरगा नोंगमई पायरगा थोलेइबा अदुंगलबा militant group की क्वाइडगी pioneer or leader amana evil lyric si magi vision ni lyrics in the jalingam the reflector is a vision of their movement and a high visionary oiba dum loba lyric sigi portion da Lebensraum for the cookies and the yaro lerem badagi kaino Lebensraum is kamai to no na tawkanda German word ni masidi magi definition ji tamon hybrid duni a living space for particular race or ethnicity or group intolerating with other coexisting groups and loina maktak thokrakana mogi oiba yamna racist oiba yamna exclusive oiba territory ma secure tawnanaba or madu create tawnanaba honanakpada apply tawba dumloba idea ma oilerame ado pochi moina maduda kari sinarmino na koina chubyen kanda handaki thoiba pochiga tamon hybrid maina 1921-25 ki matamda German da thokriba pochiga anisi yeng matamda moina sizinariba miyamda moigi miyamda convinced tawnana sizinariba wahi wata sing terminologies concept ideas strategies mayamse almost in toto mane hana lobi ai aduna ekoi sida thomi potsi it's not a communal clash it's not a religious conflict either it's not a ethnic a discontentment between the two communities rather it's a absolute Kuki Lebensraum asserted by those Kuki armed groups against the Metis civilians. Aduda conclude open.
Hitler ki Lebensraum da underlying wakalon hai tare ko Aryan race, pure race. masi atopaga samjanadabagi wakaloni Kuki gidadi Kuki Lebensraum hai matam dadi mayamna hainaba khadi leire koi tough warm ju yawbagi drug ki illegal poppy plantation gi Kuki race mayam punjan ba ji Lebensraum ji makada platform hoitar ju factor atopa mayam amadi like war on drug kana koi state government na hairi si mayam gi impact ama influence ama di soin leram do bo mali karai ba
atop factors singchina koina sumaina yengada badamo hadi government toropaduna maram oiraga that circumstances has created a situation where they started asserting their idea of Lebensraum more aggressively maram di adu tahodragadi somna kandagi state na takchalaiba campaign sina mogi hanadagi moina yamna yamna discreetly haigadra natraga yamna gradually tamna moina tawraiba moigi agenda du state ki resistance ama labnina kuina sumai sum chatpidi yaroi haibadagi moina aggressive oiba mode amada convert tawga sagi physical confrontation je tahan gi bane haijoiba aduna haiba potu akoini yengduri sidi not necessarily Lebensraum gi agenda si moina pushalaga su adu achieve tawna bo na bada hojiki hariba drug ki obi territory expansion obi population transfers obi forest area da massive koi opium cultivation ga tawrei sing sidi idea du achieve tawna bo na rakpada changadaba magi resource mobilization gi kari gi adu da shizna rakpa por ngatane hariba por me andu state na register okodagi mogi idea du lepan ba yadabani na madu hen aggressively moina counter tawna no hona rakne
saida nangi Lebensraum gi wakalon ji akoi hojik sum conflict ji thora kanda mayam tholakpa phangba document mayam sum thorko mayam ji da akoi gi even UN yong na bawda jalen gam Kuki jo singi hoiba jaga ama nation ama haibagi demand ga yauksalakpa masi almost going back 40 years hai tare ko 50 years dagi haurapgi port se sum lakpa taragasu akoi media da su report tawre phanamna akoi gi Chuchanpur da mainstream media mayam kaudana jomi singi ni kana koi jom nam ni kana akoi gi jo singji akoi gi
jofate hai
jofat grouping tawna bo hona mayam da ajam kaisu seriously akoi gi annual program dong disum toram badagi suddenly arm oiba teeth yaurokpa sigumba mayam ziga akoi gi handak marak akoi gi kai hai tare sudden spike haigadra drug ki akoi kai hai tare golden triangle ki extension waina Myanmar gi area sing sida gi Manipur lanjal lakpa siga sidagi lakpa funding ga Lebensraum of idea sigi ani sigi meeting point haigadra madudagi escalate tobagi pot laibra
yam lei damo masi akoina golden triangle si akoi sona kanda shift tawre have se akoi hanjan janna nawai horokpuda akoi yam kana dum haijabane adubu masi Manipur gi context si yenga matamda saigi whole thoiba conflict si hojikti multi dimensional oire chumdagi Kuki gi Lebensraum khakta te hojik lai sidi sona kandagi India gi wena su mogi counter insurgency policy as well as mogi geopolitics towards Myanmar moi look act is policy gi assertion sigi port ani hum je combine torokani ana high report ani hum je combine torokanda Kuki gi oina di as per historical records they always try to align to the power moi power da napagalat pan hoi meeting dong pan phari kanda sagi koi Kuki in pina gadi matam du da yamna misleading oiba koi gi Manipur Moirang treaty kana moina tang ga sia koi Moirang treaty tawgibadu meitei singna madu violate tawre aduna makhata na koi relation le kain tawre kaino Moirang treaty esibo na koina kumba da pha gong thi ka da di
sanjim ka koi sanjin thong treaty na
sanjin thong treaty sule sanjin thong treaty gina songi sugnu sero rong gi da tawbo pone aduga Moirang treaty sina koi Moirang lom side sigi Southeast Asia lusai expedition gi sona kan gi sida tawrokana Moirang da ningdong na chalaga Kuki gi moigi chief sing la aga kogi kano kogi holy water machum tara mapan thalaga koi wasak han bai tare na koi da nongmei piu nongmei chani piu akam hau ngak chege ini koi de ning thogi na nai ni hana hairaga ning thong na phare du noi thang machum thaw du thaw ising adu machum thaw machum thaw wasa laga nongmei piraga koi gi boundary si nga ona nga han khibagi adum makhal gi koi gi some kind of
yana bai tare
koi some kind of koi gi ning thona ka hata moi da wasa laga certain koi gi assignment nama sinabado adu gi potu moina moirang treaty kaina as if two entities ki marakta agreement ngo to beta the treaty kaina hai wai do kuki bina ga se thado engon record loi leko ar maina moina haijalamba ar moi si adu matung da maite ning thoga dum namna dana even koi 1949 gi torok matam 47 gi matam da sida kunung da la kan da adu to da to hai ri sing do it nothing but ning thau sing sina ning thau ga moi ga leina ba subject ka ruler ga gi leina ba mari sing do ade da moi nappa ga leina ngasi moina indian koi gi government da loyal oi se because of suspension of operations in moi da pd ba protection moi da pd ba logistic and material support moi da pd ba legitimacy legalize on thorok moi gi hana gi leram ba pra drug mafia dona nongmei pair ko cha ta panglei leram ba group me am do ko khola political dialogue ka taun to bisida sona kan le ba force ate metei gi di madugi hana gi leram ba suzerainty do leitram ni na metei ga namna bu india namna fare na mu power align to thokri ne ba chama na sona kan side le ba se gi zra jomi gi sisu they are with the junta pdf ka moi ga fight to in defense force to moi attack to wi myanmar da le ga na som da la ga na india ga mu align to wi ana moi da sigi podama le ni na sigi advantage si moi na launa na na ba at the same time india na su makoi se mu proxy force moi na season da kan da ekoi gi counter insurgency operation se stage da manung da le ba langna phana ba ngana sana ya da ba to pa ethnic group mayam adegi revolutionary group mayam si diamond cuts diamond hai na jamana ba group terrain khamina ba emotion sentiment mana ba adum ba mi sing du neaga madu da moina indian army ma sidu shobudi kuki khulai pai ba kun sijagi sunu we have nothing to lose adana expendable army in a season raga makoi se muk somda season rakpa adugi loyalty do udlaga makoi na moi gi Lebensraum gi agenda se mu khare na push down na bo na hoba hari ba potu da ninga sai koi chingi jaga sing do zik moina occupy to selebe territory me am si moina sigi jaga si nan thok da na ba sigi boundary du da indian army sing deployment to ka na moi secure oi kain lady se adugi advantage to ne aduna si ponu mak se loina mak amaga complementary oina ra kan da ultimately indigenous people sing gi oina di devastation thopa hai tare na
indian point of view dagi whatever Lebensraum wagera ko Kuki land wagera Kuki nation wagera or Kuki state wagera within indian territory oi targadi to some extent makoisu okay hadana haibi yai but Lebensraum ga yamna nakna chanaba wahim ga leri anschluss sana ko german word ni which basically means joining or connecting in case of Kuki da koina uri si ta usi haigre zra gi hoigi kanoga pdf ka khana ba haigre chin Myanmar gi chin area da leiriba jomis Mizoram da leiriba Indian state ni okay fine adu hobo yare then Bangladesh da leiriba hoi Kuki singi conflict with other communities hi maiti khata nate simang naga ga yam serious hum leigre ato to kano se tawri ba ado Lebensraum gulore na Anschluss joining kano da entire uziki region sida beyond border chalakpa sida how serious should India be hoi India na this nari hai ri ba adugi sin ba se ultimately India da backfire torpagi yabagi room leibra sai da kari caution to bu yabagi kano di le
adugi heng
hoi mai te na ga but sanar ga loisen gam da report to lakadra especially say that na hai hoba da geopolitics am jori ko ojiki China's interest in Myanmar Chin gangbu ji ani makna lobby to riba India na zu China na zu si ani ji tu na khumo
ai punna hai jarake han bada ai ngasai gi India na tawri sidi they know the hojik lai riba maru na moina su gi kano da koi gi umbrella manung sida pusalai ba group sing si total cadre at the time of signing of the agreement is 2,170 or something, and number of group is 25. So if you divide 2,170 by 25, it means one group don't even have 100 cadres. Adubu high potsi mercenary force wena sizinaraga guerrilla warfare da injala agadi, they are quite significant. Conventional war di yadabi ay aduga guerrilla warfare da ekoi counter insurgency operation da target piraga assignment piraga logistic support tawraga lan changam bedadi mi kunthra gi platoon ani hum saraga section ani hum sara injan bedadi they become so useful. Aduga larger political game tamona hai dumaina mogi freedom movement gi wenaga revolutionary idea mai makhada group ka sem na hekta country ahum sidagi territory meyam lauthoga moi country semni ka habadudi, it will be very almost near to impossible to realize, because you are going to fight with three different sovereign powers. Aduna adugi potudi oithoidamnina let their moigi ka hetare temporary moigi lady dream do let them exist. In the meantime moina adugi potu leina somna kana khone sizinaba yaringe sida we will use them sinausi aduga somna kana sustain toroga chahi humdra hena koina lotion ngamdana leiba.
But changing scenario sida where almost Burma ki military unta si hogi 50% of Burma se lost the mong do six international media mem the report taunaba matam, which basically means if and when Myanmar se kaira aga Chin state si Chin nation nama on bugi form the laktar gadi Lebensraum gi port Kuki jo nation gi port se reality ama oirakpa yabagi akiba leitra mada do that government of India should be cautious.
Yeah, they should be cautious in that sense. Adubu aina khanbada they will try to play at very diplomatic politics. Karigino hai kanda Chin ga moi India will never want to be an enemy with the Chin state. When they know that they have invested on this line. Kaladan ki project si yeng taragadi they have to appease. Aduna moi no jik sanari si they are playing two cards. India gi wena. One is the political diplomacy with the junta government. Another one is the defense diplomacy with the ethnic NUG groups. Ani maksi sanari neba. So either side na power lang matamda they will always be in a good relation with either of them. Adune moi ji tawise. Adugi proxy dugi part amada ngarang nahan kogi kamjong gi village chief na reveal torokiba then NSN I am not thadori official statement da Indian army singna asona kan leba KNF and PDF ta logistic and material support piraga kogi Manipur gi atopa northeast ki revolutionary group singi camp ta even air bombing book ta attack drone paisale khotale na charge ta se it seems very logical ta dum thajani ngai oiba por ma khakne because already hana khoi khange Indian army na Myanmar manung do operate toriba ethnic army singsida kaya tare proxy support ama pi have sidi ko ana khange state ki cabinet
ngasi gi pauk dadi hogi Mizoram da nongi maru pusalamba toke to buta sana phon phai harimni.
No, that's just eye washing. Mamdi nongo phawdu ne yaroi somla kanda say for example state ki cabinet subcommittee ki lepa hokem na lead toroga moi hum gamphajol chale gamphajol da refugee singna shelter home the leyo ya de register. That means the local population are supporting those refugees coming in. Number two, the state ki chali official sing manung da new gamphajol area da changu matam da there is a PDF camp Indian territory manung da sheltering PDF camp tripan da sang na tarpolin du khallaga mi chani chhum leirambagi mi ura lakpa official sing ko da pautama ki badum lay. So
that is happening right under the nose of Kano Haitareko hogi Indian security forces.
Definitely because they are sheltering inside the Indian territory. Adu Assam rifle khang di have shona yaro soina khangane ba adegi di
state da du ki proof le rabra
adu official singna ko da wari wina unofficially tamaki belai anu mo state information soi leni leita be yaro aduga
it's serious allegation
very serious adu mathakta ko gi state ki security personnel sing da heavy artillery yauna more da June da attack taroki budo adu gi matam sida state ki side
gi matang
Anand gi matungda
amok
Christian Tombi hoi lenge da attack yam kana ma taroki bese sigi posi matam sida KNFB ga PDF ka yarum biya has state ki side high gram That means they are operating on both sides of the international border. Aduga Kamjonggi village chief na thadorokpa statement dasu KNFB gumba yamna unorganized oiba group amana yam thina tactical oiba international border gi side ani da thokpa kaya hatare situation circumstance one manada ba war ani da yam mai pang involved to risi kamaina no na moida yamna kano oiba curious oiba podam tholei se. So there is a larger power who is giving support. Adu high report to get aligned to Rokanda. In a sense, I am na logistic and material support. KNFB ga PDF with the P and phone officially Thadoro Kibituna. Put anidodum. If you connect the dots, it gives so many sense. It makes many sense. Natra. Adu ki potula even na.
So concrete evidence still like but logically connecting the dot si tai.
This is a proxy war. So you will never find official document or anything. Ukraine, Russia say, can you say that US is not fighting this war? They are just providing logistic and material support to Ukraine. Adu khataraba.
Especially media changan da batam dadi amuke henna.
Then Iran Gaza da tawrisi yaudi haidura. So Sidi dum labor poneba. Aduna proxy ni na it is hard to establish. However, miyam da adugi notion nama miyam da adugi sense am lai. Adagidi Indian Army sing sida deploy to miyam do hill amadi valley area da leriba heated conflicts si hana lotion na hona da na mogi whole kano si sunda international border da mon attention pi ki be maram na kari. Adu da insurgent movement lai haram be but insurgent movement do lay hai taraga su mon across the border da laiba operatives mayam do da hujimak to dia da bra because they have been doing that for past 70 years. Adu sigi conflict solution dana adom da divert to gi maram na kari aduna sigi por me hamse pujal akan da di sense am lai aduga high report sing sigi advantage si so na kan dagi Kuki gi Lebensraum taliba kangun su adugi advantage to fadan low
ado si puna mak se Assam rifle haigera Indian Army haigera without order the operator bonate political akhoi kaino amagi makhada dispensation amagi makhada order makhada chalibani Manipur Sarkar kai to hom thoi sigi matang sida adagi amuk Manipur Sarkar natrasu government of India na hoji Manipur gi leba conflict si na hena overriding importance piraga hoi conflict or almost 1 year helabase masi akhoi back burner da thamagi film lebra karino future da uri se
akhoi na yam nungai tabase India government na moigi national interest se sina hena lumne yenga state sigi lejari ba magi local interest adu state sigi magi security and stability sigi poaching si moina undermine to woman bagi podama yam chong la lere India na play toriba card si they are playing two cards in hanu jare number 1 da Manipur gi lotion ngam dan leiba issue si lotion na ba opportunity im lo bani number 2
home minister na explicitly high grade ko
24 of the result to
2024
so they are desperately asserting adu moi tawri ne
chumna na bahona ba
number 2 da geopolitics hojik Myanmar da laiba magi yamna volatile oba situation sida karam sota lei hidon hoji khangdabnina China gi dominance already yam phazan lei je hande khangi ad handak si recently koigi necklace of pearl gi idea si sigi pochi disturb tawna na ba US ki interest ama sudden interest ama lakre Chiang Mai da hojik develop toroba US ki consulate office one of the largest office sigi Southeast Asia da dumai chawu consulate mu shadri Chiang Mai da hojik sai ar masi Myanmar border ni Thai gi north ni adugi je sai ana US ki interest ama lakwa sida China becomes a common enemy for India and US US ki na strategic China gi magi economic and military dominance to hegemony do lehendana na ba US ki do retain tawna na ba moi agenda ni at the same time India gi na China is always a koigi maritime rival hai tare ne adu potu de leibani na sigi pochi da Myanmar da su India gi interest ama lo ek is ki tawdi adaba podama invest over hogjen graba podam leibani na si secure tawna hona ba da US yawring is moi su China si somehow koi kidang sideline to push out to ngam bra haibu gi attempt ama yaw ba adu ga hujik thoi ba yamna volatile over situation sida military junta na su India dai ka hena sagi territory gi kari gi breach of international law adu ada yam kan yengoi da matam ni na ekoi gi lalowa Manipur gi leriba tongan tongan ba group mayam nation am gi boy bi ai Manipur gi topa UNLF da gi PLA prepare KCP loi oi bi ai moi si Myanmar rom side ta loi operate toroga base du lei si khang bani na sigi matam sida strike to go dobni haibagi podama aduga
at the weakest moment
strike to go dobni haiba adu at the same time som the Kuki gi Lebensraum si thoina engineer toroga hena aggressively to holaga meitei population civilian population mayam sina sagi yamna charang na insecure rakpa amani mi lan ta salak gi nuai tam tam sida meitei gi leiriba topa arm group mayam na moi gi rescue da changjala madu trap tawni na thaba meitei gi civilian mayam si bad oina thamaga lalo phana na to tactics man ba poram sum leiba adu haiba potu moina yalami proidu tabe mota another spring of militia oina within the civilian population dagi tholakhraga across the border leiriba revolutionary group mayam duna ka hena adugi keno si yarok tabagi pochina India government su desperation num lai sidagi pigriba mogi army sing intelligence na piriba input tuga ada decision maker da yare na tawroga pochi ona tena chalakpadagi desperate orakpadagi swai da khut thavni yaroi direct mogi hotbed to dum talaga air strike of salona aduneba NSNIM na statement tholaise so it makes so many sense ana chumnagi ngasi koi miyam na
nang haibo haida tawhanba haibo wam yaukre tawhanba kanan tawlino kari gi tawlino
tawhanba haibadi
hojiki nang haibada hojiki akoi gi conflict se particularly between the Meiteis and Kukis tawhanba haibum yaure communal natti haningi ne it's a engineered
India government
engineered conflict
it's an engineered conflict hanadi akoi su at the very first instance akoi bobo khangde May 3rd tagi torok po akoi di kangbai torbung kangbai swais days da release alu duga sum mungna rakpadagi khanadana naha masen khara phuna chenaba nena khalam me ba adai di intensity do khara wangkhala bawda sida leramba shelter camp da lero chenjal leramba me amdo akoi thindori natro akoi sa yauraga convoy do koina mang tharaga sam rifle ga toroga security provide toroga mi me amdo
tawhan bai ji counter tang torge
habyo
kaido bagi no akoi gi Manipur da hojik leiriba sarkar si BJP sarkar ni hai tare ko center da ju BJP sarkar ni so automatically the counter will be kaido bagi BJP sarkar center na ma ki state BJP na paliba leibak ama irang thon ba pamduino
irang thokto si english haijai do they want to
miscalculation ni haiduro
no they want to completely koi gi insurgency gi movement se Manipur dagi moi lotion ba pame maroi na meitei group sing na operate tawriba
but makoi gi sarkar ji kan ba ji important oindra
I think Manipur da tawriba level of politics and technique or the means they can use to win over power moi bo se yam chip oibani na pesana taro ilai leiba ya ba ka ba ya ba pot ma lei ya ji moi chu khangang bani the standard of politics that we are having here the kind of election ana moi government se dum secure to busi moi da yam kana Manipur gi government sigi magi
kaisu matha
value ai thoina ai khalam dong wande adu moi da hen lu badi ngai gi haijari ba 70 years of insurgent movement si ne moi gi main target ti aduna haiba pochi tawna na honara kanda ahan badadi akoi chu communal conflict ne na ma khalam bane adu tam su magi character se sum hongak pase aduga home minister khangde India gi leriba political leaders in the people statements in sida self contradictory oiba statement myam yaur pase like how badadi aham bada moi external aggression yawi na haramini foreign element yawi haramini ara hujingna mu ngana ki latest misana haibada June tangmari hek bor haido pol loibaga Kuki ga meitei samuday pul phamin halaga resolve tawno honani haigale so they are trying to run away from responsibilities and they are trying to just fix that it is between the Meitei and Kuki
adu narrative tong purak to
adu ne pusala la khre mamang na ngang myam si loina hong khre adu ta gadi mana adu mai hajala gadi somdai khoi gi chief minister na or Manipur government na Manipur police na thoibe statement myam si kam do ba adu nu contradiction thre state na suspension operation hadu ki maram na kari adu gi concurrence tu center na pidri na kari aur aina khanbada larger
contradictory conflicting oiba
yam leire adu state government se si completely undermine tawro thame
ओके
अदुगा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से अइना खनबदा इंडिया ना तक छानरीब लार्जर गेम प्लान से सिबो आई स्टेट खंगल लमदो मानरे